Had a few people inquire, so I figure I'd go over it. This is a rifle I've had. It's a just been kind of sitting in a case, really. So anyways, a 300 blackout. Has a Palmetto State Armory lower and upper. It's the GOA edition. Has a Toolcraft BCG Strike Industries charging handle. Got a Strike Industries LPK in it. Has the Rise Armament RA-100 two-stage trigger. This thing is super smooth. Ran a couple hundred rounds through it over the weekend. No issues at all. Ran great. Aero Precision heavy buffer kit. SBA4 from SB Tactical. Pistol brace. Got a 9-inch fax and barrel with their low-profile gas block and pistol tube. Pistol length gas tube, rather. BCM 8-inch handguard. And then Otter Creek polo30 suppressor. Thing is super quiet. Then we got a Primary Arms SLL X 1X micro prism. That's a lot to get out there. This thing is pretty slick. I've gotten astigmatism, so it helps to have this. Has an edge reticle like a scope. But overall, man, this has been pretty awesome. I like building stuff. You know, I built that. Building this. If I had more room, I'd build more cars, but I guess I'll goof around with guns. They're fun to tweak, mess with. Runs good, man. It's quiet. It's awesome. Shout out to Kentucky Tactical for all the help recently. He has really helped. If y'all don't know him, y'all should follow him. He has a Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. Anyways, y'all have a good day.